kinds of parrots that we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. So you're gonna have a close interaction with our lovely bird. So guys, mudol nyo sa inyo tubangan, huwag lang mo yung paila-ila kung tagsa-tagsa ka mga parrots. So by the way, just a friendly reminder lang, don't try to reach or grab the feathers of the bird para di sila mahadlong o kakuyawan. Okay, so let's call in our green-winged macaw bandit, our Eclectus scarlet red, and our blue-and-gold macaw as well. Okay, so first off, in my left, we have bandit. So bandit is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Being a tail feathers are big. So this macaw has a wide-legged face stripe with small red feathers. They are the second largest parrot next to the highest macaw. That's why they're called the gentle giants of the parrot family. Its scientific name is Arachnoropterus. Say hi to everyone, Bandit. Hi. Okay, there you go. Now next up, right there is a zoo. So a zoo is our blue-and-gold macaw. So blue-and-gold macaw is a beautiful shade of blue underback and a solid shade of yellow underbelly and inner wings. Its eyes and wings are solid black. So blue-and-gold macaw belongs to large group of parrots that measures about 80 centimeters in length. These birds can be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. So also these birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corns. Its scientific name is Ararauna. Okay, now lastly with me here is our Eclectus parrot red. So Eclectus parrot is very unusual in the parrot family. It's because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning they have a visible striking differences between a male and a female. So as you can see, red right here is a female Eclectus parrot. It's because of her bright red colored feathers, while as the male will appear bright green colored feathers. Sa kanila bird guys, dali rin siya mailhan, specific kani ilang mga traits. Dali, makita mo red ani, masabot na female lang. Kung green gani, it's a male. So meanwhile, our macaws, bandit, and a zoo, we need to extract blood from them and perform a DNA sexing to find out if it's a male or a female. So inana pag-determine kung sa gender nila guys, kinanglan ta makuha blood sample o niya ipa-DNA sexing. Okay, so Eclectus parrot will live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, our macaws, bandit, and a zoo will live up to, who can guess the lifespan of the macaw? Nila, happy 40, 60 to 70 years of age. So inalakata sila life expectancy guys. So I guess that's all for three kinds of parrots. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have our green-winged macaw bandit, our Eclectus parrot red, and our blue-and-gold macaw zoo. So parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now, say box puzzle, do you remember playing this game when you were still a kid? Now, here comes Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting all the shape right hand to his right stump. So take note guys, that this shape box puzzle is a learned behavior, so it's not possible to advance intelligence, memory, and perception. And also they use this skill in the wild to find food and shelter. So these birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And there you go, intelligent, right? How a round of applause for green-winged macaw bandit. But before we call in our mathematical wizard, I will be asking from you guys two numbers between 1, to 20? Can someone give me numbers from 1 to 20? 8. So our first number would be 8. How about the second number? I see 10. Okay, 10 down. So our equation would be 8 plus 10. And we all know the answers, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if a great mathematician can solve this equation. But before that, let me shuffle these numbers first. Number that been shuffled, let's meet our mathematical wizard, Snow. So Snow wizard Malukan Kakatu. Its scientific name is Kakatuwa molossensis. So this bird is endemic in Cebu archipelago in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white kakatu species. So Snow have a pinkish white colored feather on its crest. That's why they are called the salmon-crested cockatoo. And also, this bird is very loud and can mimic almost any sound. So, ano yung natural behavior, guys? Tabian kayo din na lang daw. So, kung sa'yo madungog niya ang mga sounds sa iyong environment, especially like makuha o ma-adapt na niya, guys. Okay, so Chair Kanta, our equation is 8 plus 10. Do you think Snow can answer this equation? Okay, kapag pa. Okay, Snow, please solve the equation for us. And she picked the first number, number 1. Good start, Snow. Did you pick the first number correct? Okay, Snow. Off to the second number. So Snow really loves mathematics. And there you go. So 8 plus 10 is equals to... How about a round of applause for mathematical wizards? Or known as raptors. So raptor came from a Latin word, rapiere, meaning to seize or take by force. Now these birds hunt using their strong talons and powerful beaks. And also they are characterized by their excellent flying ability and skill. Around the world we have 446 kinds of raptors. And here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 2 different kinds. We have the Brahminy kind and the Philippine serpent eagle. Okay, first off, let's meet our Brahminy kind. Kingdom. There you go. Brahminy kind are scientifically known as Haliastor indus. They are locally known as Lamin or Indo Visayas region. So these birds can be found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they known as red-backed sea eagles. And also, did you guys know that these birds indulge kleptoparasitism? It's an ability where this bird can obtain other animals' food without exerting much effort, time, and energy. So there you go for Brahminy kind kingdom. So by the way, guys, in the world of birds of prey, females are usually larger than the males. It's because females have a better position in nesting and breeding behaviors. Okay, so next for raptor. Let's call it our Philippine serpent eagle. Ready? So Philippine serpent eagle are scientifically known as Pilornis holuspilus. So this bird can be easily distinguished through well-defined spots over his body, and they have a yellow face. So by the way, guys, as you can see, our eagle right here have a bigger and heavier body. That's why they tend to prey on larger animals such as rodents, other birds, and reptiles. And also, did you know that these birds additional trivia lang, no? Or just some fun facts. Nga kanina si Freddy on the Simplicity Kingdom, they are both rescued birds. So they are donated from DNR. So they arrived here upon COVID period last year. So gitagana sa lang facility, gitagat pagkaon, i-nourish, and also i-train. Okay, now lastly, for our flying birds, presenting our homing pigeons. There you are, our homing pigeons. So homing pigeons have a name, homing ability, meaning they will land to the rest to mate. They have a special sense called magnetoreception. These special skills allows them to detect Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to perceive altitude, direction, and location. So that's all for birds of prey and our homing pigeons. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. So we are not just trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. Now who knows the 3 R's of the proper waste disposal? It's the reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's right. Now here comes our lovely bird once again, and he's going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal. Now it's sad to see that a lot of animals are struggling their lives due to pollution and improper waste management. So let's help keep our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. Now see, if Bandit can do it, then so can we. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our show. All the birds, spectacular? Yes, well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort we take, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world. Because remember, this is the only home that we got. Now, let me present the birds and the trainers that made the show possible. We have Trainer Irvin right there as DJ. We have Trainer Kata right here with Bandit. And Trainer Alpi at the back of the house with the homing pigeons. And along the other steps here in Cebu Ocean Park. This is me again, PJ, your host for this afternoon.